We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Integral Calculus. The problem is on the evaluation of a given definite integral. This question has appeared in Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 27th July 2021 in the morning shift. The problem is, let the domain of the function f of x is equal to log to the base 4 of log to the base 5 of log to the base 3 of 18 minus x minus x square minus 77 be the ordered pair a comma b. So the domain of this function is given to be the open interval a comma b. Then the value of the integral a to b of the quotient, the numerator is sine cube x by the denominator sine cube x plus sine cube of a plus b minus x with respect to x is equal to. So we have to first find the domain of this given function f of x and find a and b, and then the integral is to be evaluated from a to b of this function with respect to x, and we have to find out the value of this integral. We now continue. Now this is the function and you are given the domain of this function is the open interval a comma b. First we find the domain of f of x. So now f of x is defined if log of this inside log to the base 4 of this must be greater than 0. Then only log of this will exist. So therefore the f of x is defined if log to the base 5 of log to the base 3 of 18x minus x square minus 77 is greater than 0. This will imply this 5 will go the other side and this becomes 5 power 0, and log to the base 3 of 18x minus x square minus 77 is greater than 5 power 0, that is 1. This will imply 18x minus x square minus 77 is greater than 3 power 1. 3 power 1. So what do you actually do? So you take the exponentials on both sides. So the exponentials on both sides, and exponential is a strictly increasing function, therefore this is valid. Agreed. So now this will imply we send the terms on the left hand side to the right hand side. We obtain this is 0 greater than x square minus 18x plus 80. This implies the x square minus 18x plus 80 is less than 0. And factorizing x minus 8 into x minus 10 is less than 0. This will imply x belongs to the open interval a comma 8 comma 10. Thus, the domain of that given function f of x is the open interval a comma 10, but it is given to be a comma b. Therefore, a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 10. So now we can evaluate the definite integral in the next slide. So we have this, a is equal to 8, b is equal to 10, required to find the value of this definite integral a to b sine cube x by sine cube x plus sine cube of a plus b minus x with respect to x. Let I is equal to integral a to b f of x dx, where f of x is this function and a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 10. Now, what will be I? I will be equal to integral a to b this f of x dx and call this as the equation 1. Now, we recall I is equal to integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x with respect to x. This is the result what we know. So, now in this replace x by a plus b minus x. So, that is integral a to b, wherever there is x you write a plus b minus x. So, here a plus b minus x is a plus b minus x, and wherever there is x we have already written a plus b minus x. Now a cancels, b cancels, and you will have minus it minus plus x sine cube x. So that will be I is equal to integral a to b sine cube of a plus b minus x and sine cube of a plus b minus x as it is sine cube of x dx. Now observe that the denominator is same both in equation 1 and equation 2. So we compute the integral I in the next slide. We have the first equation and the second one, and we have already observed that the denominator is same. So adding we get 2i is equal to integral a to b, the denominator is same, the numerators are to be added, sine cube x plus sine cube a plus b minus x. So we have added, and notice that the numerator and denominator is same, they cancel off. Then you will get integral a to b 1 dx. Integrating we get x. To be evaluated between x is equal to a to b, we get b minus a. Therefore, I is equal to b minus a by 2. The value of b is 10 minus 8 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Thus, we have evaluated the definite integral I, that is integral a to b sine cube x plus sine cube of a plus b minus x dx, where a is 8 and b is 10, the value is 1. So that's our answer. The answer is 1. So that is the discussion of the solution of the problem from the integral calculus, wherein we are asked to find the value of the given definite integral. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and go on working out some more problems on definite integrals. And in this question paper, I think there are at least 3 questions on definite integrals. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.